Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and madam. I'm Christy Francisco Lorania from Philippines. I'm 38 years old. I don't have kids. I'm high school graduate.
Are you single or married?
I'm single.
Okay. Do you have experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have experience abroad in Singapore. I finished 2 years my contract.
Okay. How about second employer?
I have experience in second employer in Hong Kong.
How many years?
Uh,
How many years?
8 years for 3 employers.
Okay. How many years your first employer?
I have experience there 4 years. I finished my contract.
How about the second?
I have finished my contract 2 years.
How about the third employer?
I finished my 2 years contract.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer in Singapore?
I have to care kids 8 years old and 10 years old.
Such as you clean the house?
Such as cooking, washing the clothes, ironing, gardening.
Okay, how about the second employer in Hong Kong?
I taking care of babies, 8 months, and kids 2 years old.
How about the second employer?
I take care of 4 years old kids,
Such as
such as
you clean the house?
clean the house, washing the clothes, cleaning the house, ironing.
How about the third employer? Did you take care of the elderly?
Yes, I'm taking care of the elderly, 75 years old,
Healthy, bedridden?
healthy.
She's male or female?
She's a female.
Okay, such as?
Such as cleaning, washing the clothes, ironing, and cooking.
Okay, can you tell us how you take care of the children, the baby and elderly?
I will take good care of by,
Do you feeding them?
yes, I'm cooking and feeding them.
Okay, please tell us some of your skills.
I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to cook Filipino food and Chinese food.
You're a high school graduate?
Yes,
Okay, what are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
I promise to follow your command, and
You're a hardworking person?
yes,
You're trustworthy?
yes, I'm honest, I'm humble, and I do my duties and responsibilities.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Sir, madam, hoping you choose me as your domestic helper. Thank you.
You promised to finish your 2 years contract?
Yeah, I promise to finish my contract 2 years.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much and God bless you.